Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a mount to repair on a motor. Right, I've bought a motor. Basically, I've done all the work on the lathe, and now the actual motor's it's give up the ghost. I think because I've put a new contactor on it, it's just the motor's not been happy and it's basically give up. So I bought a new three-phase motor, not a new three-phase motor, but it's used. So it's come in the post and the actual mount's snapped. So the plan is to get that welded up in this little video, and then I'm waiting for a pulley, because the pulley off the original motor, it's the bore for the shaft, it's too small, and I need a lathe to fix a lathe. So because I haven't got a second lathe, I've just bought a pulley just because it was easier, and I'll just keep this then as a spare. So I'm waiting for a pulley. So the plan is just to get a quick little video getting this welded up, and then wait for a pulley then, and then I'll get the lathe back up and running. But I just thought I'd do a quick video of welding this up because it's cast alley. I'm not the best at aluminium welding, but I'll give this a good go, like so. So I'll get myself set up. I'll get camera set up somewhere so I can get this sorted out. So yeah, that's today's little video. So I'll get set up and then I'll cut back in. Right, so what I've done here now, because I have this plate that moves on the bench that I usually use for my earth when I'm welding. So I've pulled it out a bit. I've clamped this plate, the bracket to the plate. So what my plan is, I'm going to clean up this corner and clean up this back corner, get 2 welds on it. Once that's welded, I'll I might use a die grinder or just a die grinding bit on the drill. I'm going to clean out where the crack is, and then we'll give it a weld. And then what I'll do then is, once I've done that, I'll flip it over and then do the same on the other side. So I'll get these 2 cleaned, I'll get 2 tacks on there, and then I'll cut back in after I've done that. Right, what I've done, I've got a tack there and I've got a tack there. So what I'll do now is I'll unclamp it. I'll probably put a bead down that and then a bead down the back side, and then I'll get all that cleaned up in there, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side as best as we can. Yeah, nice easy little simple project. So yeah, happy days. Right, I've done a full run down the front of it and the same on the back, and it's red hot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and have a cup of tea, let this cool down, and then I'm going to clean in there, and then we'll get a run in there, flip it over, and then do the same on the back. So that's the plan. So go and make a brew, let that cool down, and then we'll get it all in there cleaned up. Right, I've got that welded up. Not the best weld, but it'll do what I need it to do. And I've done the other side. All I've done there is I've just put a weld on that bit there, so yeah, that's sound. Nice easy project, and it'll do what I need it to do, so yeah, happy days. So now that's done, I'll let that cool down and I'll get it put back on the motor. Right, I've got the mount, it's on the motor now. The pulley's come, so basically now that's ready to go in, but I'm not going to show it. I'm not going to show me putting it in because it's a bit of a pain and a struggle trying to get this under the lathe. So yeah, I won't show none of that. So that's it. So yeah, nice little quick video. I didn't show none of the welding. What I want to do is set up a GoPro, so if I'm doing welding then I can use the GoPro purely for doing arc shots. And so yeah, nice easy quick simple video, quick job. I want to get this in, get it wired up, and then before I actually run the lathe, what I want to do is I want to get someone to just come and check the electrics over. I'm alright with electrics, but it's 3-phase and I'm not 100% sure on it, so that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, happy days. So yeah, if you like this little video, like, subscribe, share, drop your thoughts and comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.